In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Coinbase to TradingView. If you're looking to streamline your cryptocurrency trading and analysis, this guide is for you. By connecting these two powerful tools, you can enhance your trading efficiency and equip yourself with the insights needed for successful trading decisions. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to head over to TradingView, specifically to a chart page. This is the starting point where you'll access the tools and settings necessary to achieve a seamless connection between TradingView and Coinbase. Once you have your chart open, look for a small arrow icon beneath the trading menu options. Clicking on this arrow will reveal more functionality that is available within TradingView itself. And don't worry, all of these steps are designed to be intuitive, so it should feel straightforward as you go through them. Next, you'll want to click on the Trading Panel tab. The Trading Panel is located at the bottom of the screen and serves as your gateway to connecting various brokerage accounts to TradingView. Once you've opened the Trading Panel, you'll notice an option labeled Show All Brokers. Clicking this expands your view and displays an extensive list of supported brokers, including Coinbase. Don't panic if this list looks long, we'll be honing in on exactly what you need. Now that you have the full range of broker options displayed, take a moment to locate the Find Broker option. This is a very handy search feature that will help you quickly zero in on Coinbase without having to scroll through the entire list. Simply type Coinbase, and the search should rapidly narrow down your choices to make your process easier. After you've typed in Coinbase, you should see an option labeled Coinbase Advanced. This is exactly what we're looking for. Click on Coinbase Advanced, and this will bring up the specific settings needed to initiate the connection between your TradingView account and your Coinbase account. You'll then see a button labeled Connect. This button is your final pathway to establishing that crucial link. Clicking it will redirect you to a new window where you'll be prompted to enter your account credentials for Coinbase. Make sure you have your username and password ready, as you'll need these to authenticate and finalize the connection. And there you have it. Once you've input your credentials and confirmed the connection, you'll have successfully linked your Coinbase account with TradingView. This setup will allow you to monitor, analyze, and trade cryptocurrencies with greater ease and precision. Using TradingView's sophisticated tools coupled with Coinbase's advanced trading capabilities gives you a strategic edge in the dynamic world of cryptocurrency trading. Enjoy your trading journey with this robust setup. And remember that mastering these tools can significantly enhance your trading efficiency and accuracy.